Sevalla has introduced an MPC server that allows AI coding agents like Claude Code and Codex to interact with the Sevalla infrastructure to do things like deploy apps, create databases, inspect logs, and more. In this video, I'll quickly show you what it takes to get it working for your project. So the first thing is you need to add the MPC server to Claude with this command. And then you need to start Claude or whatever your AI agent is. Once that's ready, do /MPC. And then find Sevalla so you can authenticate it. A browser window is going to open, and I'll quickly set it up to work with my account. So just a couple of steps here. Then authorize. Once you get this screen, you can close it, and then you can start using it. So I'll paste in a prompt. And I'm basically telling Claude to deploy my app using Gunicorn. So this is a Python app. Deploy it to the US East region, and also to create a database for this. So I'll wait for this to run. Over here, I have my app that is running in my local environment, and we'll see it running on Sevalla in a second. And then here I have the dashboard, which will automatically update because the agent is going to be doing work for me. So I don't have to click things through the dashboard, but we'll still see what's happening here on the dashboard. So let me go to the home section here, and I'll just wait for everything to pop up. And because these agents take a long time to run, I'm going to skip ahead in the video to the point where something actually happens, and I'll do that for the rest of the video so you, the viewer, don't have to wait. Okay, so we see the database is being created, and the app should follow very closely behind, so we'll wait for that. And now we see that the application has been created, so now we just have to wait for everything to be deployed. All right, so we see that Claude is done working here. Over here on the right-hand side, we see the to-do app has been deployed, and I should be able to go to this URL and take a look at it. And we see my app has been deployed. I can add a task here, and it appears to be working fine. So here we see that it had an issue when it was deploying the app initially, but it was able to fix it automatically. And that's one of the huge benefits of using something like Claude Code with the MPC server, because it can figure out what's going on with the deployment and fix it automatically. Because fixing deployment issues is one of the more difficult things to debug. So having Claude do it for you, given all the tools of the MPC server, can save a lot of time and effort. So with this MPC server, you can deploy your app from your coding agent without ever having to go over to the Sevalla dashboard. So if you want to try this out for yourself, just go to the Sevalla docs, and you'll be able to get the command that you need to run to add the MPC server to your coding agent.